Take 4 tablespoons of this every morning to clean your arteries and improve your cardiovascular system. High cholesterol and triglyceride levels can do a lot of harm to your body and cardiovascular system. Not reducing the levels of these compounds in your blood can cause an increase in blood pressure and harm the function of your blood vessels, which will inevitably lead to heart problems. Sadly, both conditions are pretty common nowadays thanks to our unhealthy diet and lifestyle, which are slowly, but surely ruining our health. High cholesterol levels have been related to numerous life-threatening diseases and conditions, which is why it's vital to get them under control. Luckily, you don't need statins to do it. There's a simple natural beverage we're going to show you how to prepare that will quickly reduce your triglyceride and cholesterol levels and prevent various cardiovascular problems. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 kilogram lemons, 12 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 5 to 6 parsley bunches. Preparation: wash the lemons in cold water, then add the baking soda in warm water and the lemons as well. Leave them to soak for an hour. Chop the parsley next and add everything in the water together, then cook the mixture on low heat for a couple of hours. Pour the drink in a glass container and in the fridge and drink 4 tablespoons in the morning before breakfast for best results. Cleanse your intestines effectively with a simple juice recipe. Many of us suffer from digestive problems that are harmful to our health, such as constipation, cramps, irritable bowel syndrome, and more. Despite the complexity and frustration that these problems cause, the solution for you is probably in a very close and accessible place, your kitchen. A healthy diet that helps remove toxins and intestinal parasites is a very effective tool for improving the quality of life of anyone with digestive problems, and if you experience them, you should try it out. A great way to get started is by using a special, simple drink to prepare you for a thorough cleanse of your digestive system using just 4 ingredients. The 4 ingredients: apple, ginger, and lemon, with little sea salt. Each of the ingredients in this drink has important functions in cleansing the intestines, which are outlined below. Here's what each ingredient does. Apple. Apples provide the body with a very high amount of fiber, and specifically pectin fibers, which help clear the intestines when they pass through them, reduce cholesterol levels in the body, and are considered antibacterial. In addition, apples are rich in minerals that are beneficial to our body's health, and there's even a detox diet that includes eating apples almost exclusively for 5 days. Of course, this is an extreme and far-fetched diet that could cause damage to the body and is not to be used, especially considering the awesome recipe below. Ginger. In India, ginger has been used for more than 5,000 years to cure various diseases, including digestive problems. Ginger increases the secretion of digestive juices and encourages the movement of the intestines, thus helping to release the excrement from the body along with the waste and toxins present in it. In addition, a study at the University of Michigan Medical School found that ginger intake helps reduce symptoms of colitis, which is considered a precursor of colon cancer. Lemon. Lemon contains many antioxidants and a high amount of vitamin C, which is soluble in water and therefore can pass easily in the intestines and destroy free radicals and various toxins, an ability that also makes the lemon effective in preventing intestinal cancer. In addition, its atomic structure is very similar to that of the chlorine hydrogen in our digestive juices, and it encourages the liver to produce bile, a fluid required for normal digestion processes. Drinking lemon water also has health benefits. Sea salt. Although you may doubt salt as a healthy ingredient, you should first know that most of the harmful salt we consume comes from processed food, and generally, there is nothing wrong with adding a little sea salt to food unless you have a medical problem and your doctor has instructed otherwise. Sea salt can release fluid retention, and adding it to this drink gives it the ability to contribute to the process of washing toxins from the intestines out of the body. 4-ingredient juice recipe. Ingredients: ½ cup natural apple juice, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice. Blend ginger with 1 to 1½ cups water until you get a thick liquid. ½ teaspoon sea salt. ½ cup warm water. Directions: 1. Heat water in a pot until it's hot, but you can still drink it, without boiling. 2. When the water has reached the proper heat, transfer it to a cup, add sea salt and stir. 3. Add apple juice, ginger juice, and lemon juice. Drink the juice in the morning, on an empty stomach, at room temperature. Drink it again before you have a light lunch, preferably one based mostly on vegetables, and again in the evening. It is very important that you drink 6 to 8 cups of regular water during the day, which will help remove the toxins from your intestines. Anti-aging benefits of drinking lemon water? We've all heard of the antibacterial and antiviral properties of lemons, and we know they are brilliant for helping treat colds and flu. However, there are many other amazing health benefits of the little yellow citrus fruits, not so commonly known. Benefits of which can easily be attained by drinking water with freshly squeezed lemon daily. Although great to drink throughout the day, the most beneficial time to drink lemon water is first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, where it both detoxifies and nourishes the cells of your body. If your stomach is sensitive, add a little bicarb, which will neutralize the initial acidity. Simply squeeze a whole organic lemon into a pint of fresh water, drink and enjoy. 1. Increased collagen production. As we age, the production of collagen rapidly decreases. Lower collagen levels leads to wrinkles and sagging skin. The main function of vitamin C is to make collagen in the body. If there is no, or very little, vitamin C in the diet, collagen cannot be made. The high levels of vitamin C in lemons increase collagen production, which helps smooth and firm skin and prevents premature wrinkles. A lifelong lack of vitamin C is known to cause excessive wrinkles. 2. Prevent weight gain. After the age of 35, staying slim and keeping weight off becomes a challenge, especially after a lifelong consumption of wheat and refined carbs. Carbohydrates produce the fat-storing hormone insulin, and when eaten in excess, or not properly combined with fat or protein, will lead to weight gain. This is where lemons can help. The citric acid in lemons slows down the absorption rate of carbohydrates, which prevents the blood sugar spike that leads to excess fat and weight gain. 3. Prevention and treatment of thread veins and varicose veins. The rutin and hesperidin found abundantly in the peel and membranous parts of lemons helps prevent and treat those fine red veins, which pop up around the cheeks and nose after being exposed to hot or cold temperatures, and as a natural part of aging process. Rutin has been shown to be highly effective in the treatment and prevention of varicose veins, another downside of the advancing years. 4. Maximizes enzyme production in the liver. After the age of 20, enzyme production reduces and continues to reduce by a third each decade. The liver can make more enzymes out of lemon than any other food, which amongst other things, assists in the absorption of fatty acids. Fatty acids are essential to our health and well-being and play a big part in keeping our skin and joints youthful. The better these fats are absorbed, the younger we look. 5. Provides antioxidants. Fresh water in lemon provides potent antioxidants that fight free radicals. Free radicals contribute greatly to the aging process. If we do not supply our bodies with enough antioxidants, we will age much quicker than we should. 6. Hydrating. Without adequate water, we would shrivel like a prune. By adding lemon to water, and aiming to drink 3 to 4 pints of it a day, we are not only hydrating our body, which gives us plump and juicy skin, but also providing electrolytes which are both healing and anti-aging to the body. 7. Alkalizing. Nothing will age the body faster than an overly acidic system. Our bodies become acidic by eating processed foods and drinks, alcohol, meat and dairy. An acid body is precursor to illness and osteoporosis. Lemons are highly alkalizing, and including them in your diet daily will go a long way to keeping your body in balance and youthful. 8. Prevent age-related disease. Illnesses such as Alzeimer's, Parkinsons and arthritis are becoming more prevalent, and the age at which people are being diagnosed is getting younger. The bioflavonoid and vitamin C in lemons have been shown to prevent or slow down these degenerative illnesses. 9. Energy increasing. The nutrients found in lemon, combined with the hydrating effects of water, vastly increases energy levels. The more energy the body has, the more it can use to keep itself healthy and youthful. 10. Boost immune system. Reduce depression and stress. An overly taxed immune system ages the body. All the energy usually used for repairing and healing is used fighting off infection and stress-induced illness. The vitamin C, bioflavonoid and antioxidants found in lemons assist the body in dealing with the stresses and illnesses of modern life.